drop the parentheses? Okay.
It don't matter.
Yep.
They're all equal signs.
All right, here you go, Dylan. We turned in our first sheet we did for our daily grade. Dylan, you can work on this that you should know how to do, or you can do the new stuff with what I'm doing right now. That was turned in for a daily grade. All right, so let's see what y'all got on this. I got negative 4x equals negative 3. Did y'all get 3 over 4? Yep. All right, let's keep going. Let's do number 2. I'm going to let y'all do number 2. I'm going to skip ahead to number 3. All right, so everybody work on number 2, and we'll just see if we... All right, move that over. I got x squared equals 36, because you move over a minus 30, it's a plus 30. All right, what's the last step? Take a square root. What did y'all get for square root of 36? Remember, it's plus or minus 6, right? Why is it plus or minus 6? Because you took a square root. All right, and look right here. It showed you how many answers you had to find. You had to find 2 answers. All right, so now, Harley, will both of these answers work, or am I going to have to throw one of them out, or maybe both of them? Let's check. If I plug 6 right here, what is 6 squared minus 30 in your calculator? That's going to be 6. That answer checks out. The first one's good. Now, some of you guys are going to think, okay, this one's a negative. It's not going to work.
Yeah,
But if you plug negative 6 in right here, and if you put it in parentheses like you're supposed to, you're still going to get 6. Because just because it's a negative doesn't mean it's not going to work. Both answers worked on that one. Number 3 has 2 answers. All right, and this is what you're going to do all the way through number 8. Finding answers, checking them both. And number 8 is actually just like this. Then number 9 is new stuff. All right, so you guys do 4 and 5 and we'll check them. I'm going to give y'all a chance to do 4 and 5. Don't forget to check your answers, see if they work. All right, so I got, did I mess up? No. So I got 8x plus 20 equals x plus 6. 7x equals negative 14. All right, I did this real quick, guys. Check my answer. I got negative 2. Now, is that going to work, or do I need to throw it out? Is it okay? Lila says yes. Look right here. If you plug in negative 2 right here, negative 2 plus 6 is 4. It's okay there. Plug in negative 2 right here and you get 4. If it works on both of them, it's okay. If it doesn't work on either one of them, you got to throw it out. So that answer is okay. Let's go to 5. Log base 12, x minus 9. Log base 12, 3x minus 13. So cross out my logs. I got x minus 9 equals 3x minus 13. Negative 2x equals negative 4. All right, check behind me. I got that for an answer. Is that what y'all got? Positive 2. All right, does it work, or am I going to have to throw it out? Let's check. If I plug 2 in here, what's 2 minus 9 give me? It gives me negative 7. You can't have a negative. Throw that answer out. We don't have any more negatives. We don't have any more answers. So that is a no solution. Because you can't have a negative with a log. All right, number 9 is brand new. What is new about number 9, guys? Is number 9 the first time we've had a plus in between the logs? Let me check. Yep, first time. So what are we supposed to do right here with this plus sign? Okay, it's easy. Same thing, mark out all the logs. So, Josh, if it's got a plus sign in between the logs, you times these. 9 times x equals 54. So really, this is going to be easier than what you've been doing. Anytime you got a plus in between, hardly got times it. All right, so building off of that, what if you have a minus in between? You don't times it, you would divide it. There you go. The logs are going to be the same on all of them until we get down to number 20 and 16 and 17. That's for Monday, so don't worry about it. The only ones we're doing right now are the ones that are the same. All right, so divide it. I got 6. All right, and 6, if you plug it in, is positive 6, so it works. All right, so I showed you guys number 9. See if y'all can do number 10. And we're just doing the easy ones today. We'll do the hard ones next week.
No,
Good.
because it's a W on 48.
Yeah, so just make it, when you get that, just make it a fraction. I mean, it's right if you write that. So it's 5, 2, you said -2. All right, so when it gives you something crazy, just go to math and make it a fraction. Yeah, I'm ready to do that. All right, number 10, let's see what y'all got. Number 10, I got log base 8 of 48 minus log base 8 of W equals log base 8 of 4. All right, so what did I say happens when you got a minus sign? You divide it. So which one goes on top? Y'all want to guess?
48.
Yeah, just go left to right. So it'd be 48 divided by W equals 4. Is that much smarter you got and Gabe?
He was guessing.
All right, now, how do we solve this? Guys, there's lots of different ways you can solve this. What I think the easiest way is, do this. Make 4 over 1. I think this is the easiest way. Now cross, multiply, and divide. Now, if you got another way to do it, you stick with your way.
Butterfly.
Butterfly? What's that mean? Does that mean cross, multiply?
Probably.
All right, so Gabe says let's do the butterfly. I like that. 4 times W is 4W. 48 times 1 is 48. Somebody divide it and give me an answer. So it's 12. All right, now we got to check this, and I'm going to show y'all. Last year, somebody said this was a no solution. This is what they did. They plugged 12 in right here, and they said, look, that's a minus 12. It's not. You don't worry about the minus sign. When you plug it in, as long as it's positive right here, it's good. So that answer's good. All right, let's see what 11. 11's got something new. Let's go to 11. Log base 7 of n equals 2/3. Log base 7 of 8. All right, what's new in this one? This one's got, right, there are no parentheses, but this one's got a number, a fraction in front of the log. I don't think we've ever had that. Anybody want to guess what happens? Because y'all know the logs are going to cancel. So now, look at it. Anybody want to guess, what does 2/3 become when you set it up? It becomes the exponent for that number. So it'll be 8 to the 2/3, then you just type it in your calculator. All right, so we're going to learn like 4 or 5 new rules on this logarithm stuff. We've already learned 3. That's when you have an exponent. Anytime you have a number in front of the log, it becomes your exponent. All right, so we're going to do number 12, and we'll do 13, and then we'll stop. We'll save the rest for Monday. All right, let's do 12. Log base 3 of x equals 1/4. Log base 3 of 16 plus 1/3. Log base 3 of 64. All right, so now they're starting to mix them all up. They're starting to combine a lot of your rules. All right, first step, mark out your logs. All right, second step. What's it gonna be, guys, when you have a plus right here? Plus makes it become what? Times, gotta multiply. And we just talked about what's 1/4 gonna be if it's in front of the log, it's gonna be your exponent. So you're gonna have 16 to the 1/4 there, times 64 to the 1/3 there. And again, you just type the whole thing in your calculator. So plus becomes times, and any number in front of the log becomes your exponent. Get a calculator, plug it in, let's see what we get. (16 to the 1/4). Nope, messed up. Try it again. 16 to the 1. Oh, okay, I know what I did wrong. 16 to the 1 fraction 4. 64 to the 1 fraction 3. All right, what'd y'all get? I got 8 when I typed that in finally. And if you plug, there's no place to plug 8 in. Right there, if you plug it in, it's just 8, so yeah, it's good. All right, we're going to do one more. 13. I got log base 9. Guys, I'm going to make that 3x plus 14 instead of 3u plus 14. Y'all okay with that? And I got log base 9, 5 equals log base 9 of 2x. All right, so mark out your logs. Now look, we got a minus sign right here, so what do? Plus is times, minus is divide. So I take that divided by 5. So I got 3x plus 14 divided by 5 equals. So plus is times, minus is divide. And over here I just got 2x. I'm going to write that as 2x over 1, and then we do like Gabe says, the butterfly. So y'all do the butterfly from here and get an answer. Cross multiply, solve the equation, see what we get. You got a question? I got a second. So it'll be root 16 to the 4th equals x. Write it down. Root 16 to the 4th equals x. Now since x is by itself, you can just type in root 16 to the 4th in here. Alright, so if I go this way, I got 10x, 3x plus 14, move it over. Alright, I came up with 2. Check it, see if we got to throw it out. If I plug it in right here, 3 times 2 plus 14 gives me 20. It's okay there. I plug it in here, 2 times 2 is 4, so that one works in both places. We'll stop there. We'll pick this up Monday after the quiz.